Hello, kids. Kids, I have banana. I like to eat banana. But I like to eat banana along with yogurt. Do you people love to eat yogurt and banana? I like to eat yogurt and banana. I like to eat yogurt and banana. I like to eat yogurt and banana. Yeah, 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 yeah. Kids, do you love to eat yogurt and banana? I love eating yummy yogurt. Oh, yogurt comes in different flavor also, and that's so yummy. So, kids, now you all know we are learning with sound. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We are learning yeah sound. Yeah, yogurt. Yeah, 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 yeah. The action is as if you're eating yogurt. Okay. So, kids, yeah, yogurt. Yeah, yogurt. Yummy, yummy yogurt. Yeah, yo-yo. You kids, boys especially love to play yo-yo and yeah, yog. Yeah, yum and yeah, yellow. Even bananas are yellow. Mangoes also turn yellow sometimes, right? Yeah, yellow pen I have and whatnot. There can be many things with here yellow, yellow, yellow. Turmeric is yellow, which is very helpful, very antiseptic, and it's really very yummy. Turmeric latte. You people should try that. Okay. So now let me tell you very interesting thing. Here has three sounds. Okay. So let me stop this share and let me share whiteboard and let me show you how ear has three sounds. Ear has three sounds. Its consonant sound is ear yellow. Your ear is mama letter Y and baby letter is ear. Okay. So ear is a consonant basically, but it also acts like a vowel. So it can Y can act as both as a vowel and consonant. So ear, yogurt, ear as in consonant, ear yellow, don't yell, ear yelling, don't yell, ear yellow, and ear also, you know what? Here he is very helping in nature. He tells his friend is, who is his friend, best friend. Ich, Inky the mouse is the best friend. And so he can always help Inky the mouse. Ich. He always helps. How he helps? Ich don't like to stand at last. So yeah, he comes and stand in his place. So how he does? When you say, how funny it is. What do you say? Funny. Mm, Knee. So E sound is there, but here it comes and takes E sound place and help E. So we say funny. So here sound is also, here also takes E sound at times. Okay. So short I sound as in funny, silly. How silly you are talking about. I'm just giving 2, 3 examples. Silly. It's a mystery. Mystery. Do you people have any mystery box? I have one mystery box. Mystery. So here is taking E sound, short inky, the E sound. Okay. Short I sound, short vowel I sound. Now, let me tell you how it takes long I sound also. Sometimes it takes long I sound. And what is how it takes long I sound? I'll explain that. When you say, what is there in the sky? What is there in the sky? When you say sky, I. So, Y is taking I sound. So sometimes it says I, sky. And you say bye. My, it's my turn. My. So Y is taking I sound. And everybody love to ride? Cycle. Cycle. So here also you can see Y is taking I sound. So Y has three sound. One is of short, mama letter, short vowel sound. One is the I sound, and Y takes as in. So Y can be both. Y can be both vowel also and consonant also. Y act as a sometimes short short vowel I and long vowel I. Okay, so keep on revising the things. The more you revise, you will come to know more and more words. Okay, guys. So keep on searching for such words with I, but Y standing to help and I. Bye. So enjoy.